time, no time, oh.
So starting with the drone console, this, as you can see, it's very compact and very small. As per my hands, you can see it's a very compact design which DJI have designed. So starting with the wings, these are the upper wings. First of all, you have to open the upper wings. Then after, you have to slightly open the backside wings like this. And after that, there is a cover for the battery to be in from here, and to connect from your C-type cable or whatever Android or iOS you're using, so you can connect with your phone with this cable. So this is the SD card which I bought it additionally. I didn't got with this combo. This is SanDisk 128 GB. So moving further, these are the protectors to, if in case of the crash of, it will protect your all the wings and the propellers. It will protect them from hitting anywhere, because these are compulsory if you are initially flying the drone. So it's very compulsory to you to have it to be fixed here, both sides. Okay, keeping aside, got 3 cables which will be connected from the controller to the mobile phone. I'll show it in the video. So just in rough case, I will explain you. This is the charger which I got from the DJI. You can see the specifications. These are some extra propellers which I got it, each having two propellers, so it means 6. This is the screwdriver to open up the screws. There's another cable for charging the batteries, and this is an extra joystick which I get it. Extra joysticks. And these are the 3 batteries. These are the lithium batteries which are chargeable. The switches here, and the best part for this is you can use it as a power bank also. So whenever you are traveling, so that these 3 batteries will give the power to your tablets and to your phones. So this is a good part for this. This is removable batteries, and you will get the indication over here while you are charging. You will get the indication that how much is the battery, each battery is charged. So after that, this is the controller. Controller is having antennas. The same, because I'm using an iPhone, so I need a cable which can be fixed with the iPhone. So just what I have to do, just I have to plug in over here. Attach my phone with this cable over here and turn it on. So I can connect it through DJI Fly app, which is available in Google Play stores. So you can download it and you can completely operate and control your drone with that. And the another details which are important, that is the flight timing. It can fly with single battery where up to 30 minutes, and the video resolution with the 12 megapixel camera, you can get it for 2.7K quads HD with 3 axis. And the model number for this drone is MT1SD25. To fly a drone for each region, each country or each area, it depends, like you have to take the authority, the certification. As I'm living in Abu Dhabi, so for the UAE government I have to take the special permission through an app. I have to register my drone, all the serial numbers, all my details under my name. The certificate will be generated by the government, and it takes hardly 10 to 15 minutes. So in the end of the video I'll just put the my details, that how you can download the app. The app name is My Drone Hub app for UAE Abu Dhabi. So you can find it out, like how to register if you want to fly in Abu Dhabi region especially. So